Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by defining 1 or 2 study goals so viewers immediately know the value. This also guides your shots. Once done, set your camera at eye level with 16:9 framing and check audio. Good sound keeps people watching. Make sure to prepare 10-15 minutes of opening shots, a quick workspace reveal, your materials, and a verbal hook. Explain why each shot matters and keep transitions tight so the video starts with momentum and purpose, not filler. You now film the core session using focused blocks of 25 to 50 minutes and display a visible timer to show real progress. Viewers appreciate structure. While studying, capture B-roll, close-ups of your hands, annotated notes, and any screens. These visual cues break monotony. Once a block ends, record brief voiceovers explaining what you did and why. This adds context and teaches study technique. Make sure to vary pacing. Mix long ambient takes with quick explanatory clips for rhythm and flow. You finish by editing with intention. Trim raw footage down to 6 to 12 minutes, keeping highlights, test questions, and actionable tips so viewers leave with value. Once edited, add timestamps, captions, and a clear call to action like subscribing or downloading notes. Make sure to balance background music volume and cut long silences for pace. If audio issues or pacing problems occur, re-record short voiceovers or insert explanatory overlays. That quick fix preserves coherence and prevents losing audience engagement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.